let's make a Brazilian pizza. Before we proceed, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit subscribe and plug TV and hit notification bell all so that you will be notified for my future uploads and updates. Okay, so this is our finished product, guys, and ready to serve while it is hot. Okay, so the first one is the smaller one. It's not spicy, and the bigger one size. Now let's start. So this is the ingredients that you are going to use in Brazilian pizza. This is my own version of pizza, Brazilian pizza. Okay, so this is the pizza sauce that I made, and then I have an onion slice, then bell pepper green slice. I have a Brazilian beef fry with butter, and then the cheddar cheese. Instead of mozzarella, I used cheddar cheese, okay? Grated cheddar cheese. So this is the flour that I make, which is ready for making a pizza dough. So I leave it for almost 2 hours, okay? So you see, it's ready to make a dough. The appearance is really soft. So now let's start to make a dough. Okay, that's all the ingredients that I made in my Brazilian pizza, my own version. So now I start to making a pizza dough. Okay, I divided it into 3, and then but I made only 2 pizza. The one is I make it spicy, and the other one is not spicy, of course. Then we just started it. Okay, now I just divided into 3 dough. Okay, but I make only 2 pizza. So the remaining I make cubos. Okay, so now I started to flatten the dough to form as a pizza, and then after, be sure to put some oil on your baking pan before you put the pizza dough. Okay, so that it will not stick to the baking pan, and then just like that, just flatten it using a rolling board rather. So just like it, and then after, just before you put the pizza dough in the baking pan, be sure to wipe some amount of oil so that it will not stick in the baking pan. Okay, and then after it, just put some pizza sauce. So my sauce is, I use only ketchup, guys, and then I mix some black pepper powder, then some little salt, and then I put anise. If you know anise, I will put some amount of powder because I love the smell, and then the taste too. And then I mix chili powder, of course, because I make hot and spicy pizza. And then I have also some chili espada, and then I will cut into small, slice into small. Okay, So now I will put some cheddar cheese grated. Instead of mozzarella, I will use cheddar cheese. I try it because mostly I make pizza. I use mozzarella, but I want to try cheddar cheese. If how is the taste? Okay, so I think it's delicious compared to mozzarella cheese because cheddar cheese is tasty. Okay, and then after it, you just put all the toppings, the bell pepper. You just put some toppings, the the bell pepper, the onions like that, and the Brazilian beef. The Brazilian beef that I use is it's marinated whole night, and then I fry it just like barbecue, but I'm using frying pan. I using butter, not oil. It's a butter, and it's more tasty. Then I cut into small. I will put in my pizza, okay? That's a siling espada, guys. That's a maanghang. That's a baking fun. I will make a hot and spicy pizza. I make two baking fun. The other one is not spicy, okay? Just arrange all the toppings. You can make your own toppings. It depends upon on you how what you want to do. So because I don't have any, so okay, that's it. So ready for baking. So all the ingredients was finished, and then I made another one which is not spicy. So the first one I made is hot and spicy pizza, and this one it's not. Okay. So again, I made a pizza dough, and then don't forget to wipe the baking pan some oil. So very easy, guys, to make some pizza. I think it's good if you make homemade pizza rather than to buy some in the market. Okay, you can design what the taste you want. You can add some toppings if you want. Then I wipe the pizza sauce all over the dough, and then you can use brush or you can use only even spoon. Okay, if you have a brush, you can use it. If you don't have, you can use spoon. Then put cheddar cheese or mozzarella cheese, or it's up to you what cheese you want. It's okay. And then put toppings. I will put the Brazilian beef, then the onion slice, but this is not spicy. This is a normal taste, not spicy. It's okay for kids. Okay, so then put a bell pepper slice, or you can add some vegetables as you like. It can be also tomato. You can slice some tomato. You can put also. I think that's Italian style. Have tomato. So now I finished the two baking pan. So the bigger is spicy and hot, and then the other one, the smaller, is not not spicy. Okay, so bake it in I will put in the preheated oven and set it into 200 um, degrees Fahrenheit. So now this is it. So this is my finished product and ready to serve. You just slice on it and then it's ready to serve and eat while the pizza is hot. Okay, this is it guys. So very easy. Instead of buying some pizza in the market or in the mall or in the restaurant or any fast food, so you can make it in your home. Okay, so this is not a hot pizza, this is a normal guys. So you see, very tasty. This is it. Let's eat guys. Ready to eat. And this is only for me guys. So let's eat. You see, I eat 2 slices of not spicy and then 3 3 slices. So that's it. So very easy to make it guys. So and this one is the spicy, hot and spicy pizza. Okay, so you see, it's good if you make your own guys. So this is it. So you can make it as a business guys. So that's all guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to hit subscribe and Vlog TV and hit notification bell all so that you will be notified for my future uploads and updates. Okay, bye bye. Let's eat while hot.